Once upon a time in a little village, there were two best friends named Lily and Max. They were inseparable and did everything together. They played, laughed, and explored the world around them. One sunny day, Lily and Max discovered a hidden treasure map. Their eyes sparkled with excitement as they decided to embark on an adventure. Hand in hand, they followed the map's clues, leaping over rocks and wading through streams. After a long journey, they reached the treasure spot. But instead of gold and jewels, they found a box filled with colorful paper and pencils. Confused, they opened a note inside the box which read, "True treasure lies in friendship and imagination." Lily and Max looked at each other and smiled. They knew that their friendship was the greatest treasure they could ever have. They sat down and began drawing and writing stories together, creating imaginary worlds filled with dragons, fairies, and talking animals. From that day on, Lily and Max cherished their friendship even more. They realized that adventures were not just about finding hidden treasures but about the joy of sharing moments with a true friend. And so, their friendship blossomed like the flowers in their village, spreading love, laughter, and imagination to everyone around them. Lily and Max proved that the real treasure in life is the gift of friendship.